Okay, so this amazing mess is hopefully, if I can remember how to do this, it will turn into a corpus. So we have an arm, we have another arm. These are a little bit shorter than the legs here. And we have to get them into this body here. So let's start by trimming the troublemaker stuff here. So we can figure out how to stuff that in there and connect them. Let's start with that. And the other arm. So I think there's probably a way to separate things here a little bit to stuff that through. And let's go right out the other side. And then this, stuff through areas. Okay, so that actually looks pretty good. And then I think what we can do is just smush the heck out of them there for a second. So we can get the staple on here. I think I want to flip this one over, like so. I think that might make it a little happier. Okay, so we like how it's hitting the shoulders here. So pinching this so that I don't let anything shift. Put a staple right in the middle. Oh, my stapler stuck. Obnoxious timing. Wow. Excitement. I just need to get some more staples. Nope, we're good. Okay, so I think that works. And we'll slide this out, trim this guy off. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, so legs. Legs, we need to kind of do the same thing. Yep. Let's put these together like so. And we're going to drop these a little bit lower because this part's going to band around to create that middle shape. Let's trim these off so they don't cause too much trouble for us. And then here, not sure if this is the best way or if I should poke something in here further. Let's try here. Yeah, nope. That's not going to work. Let's try this right through the middle. This is going to run into the arms. And maybe, let's see. It's like constructing a weird puppet. Oh, awesomeness. Mostly awesomeness. What are we hooked on here? That guy. There. Okay. Alright. How about if we trim some of this stuff? He's looking very scarecrowy. Alright, and then here course, the fun of this is always getting everything to stay exactly where we want it. I think we can use these. More for the floor. Okay, we could go half around this side. And do our favorite overhand knot, I suppose. Maybe in the back would be better. Okay, haircut time. Okay. Now, I need to fix the headless Jesus problem. So these two pieces here will slide down into this section. And I think it's important to make sure that his head is not on backwards. Let's see if we bring this one down in the front. How about if we clean this up so it's not trying to split on us. Let me hold on this for a second, because what I want to make sure is that the legs don't fall off. I wonder if I put a staple right through here. You can tell this is a serious fly by the seat of the pants thing. Alright, let's do this thing where we pull it up giraffe style and then let it relax back down to where it should be. Oh, this feels so mean to do. Yeah. Yeah, I think it kind of worked. Okay, that was terrifying. Now we go in through here. Phew, that was scary. Okay, so then I think instinctively we should carry on down here. Oh, he just turned his head to the left. Works for me. And back here, well, yeah, that is your basic. Trim this off with the other half of the arm from over the other side. And then we have a very large processional cross, so they'll just kind of pin this in place in the back of it. Call it a day. Not sure where this one's coming out. Might just be piling up in there. Okay, well, that is today's version of creating a corpus out of palms. So sometimes, I think last year we did one of these. To create a hand. And these can trim off. And then we have the legs, which in a perfect world, these would have been longer. I think they look kind of stubby. Let's start over, make another one. Right.